It's June the 15th, 2012. It's the year of the Olympics, and we are waiting for the Olympic torch coming, which is due to be here shortly. But as you can see, the rain is torrential. That's why I've got the camera cover on, see? So we're all waiting with our flags and bunting for our David, who's doing the first leg of the torch relay from here. But it looks like there's not going to be many people here because they're coming sharp because of the weather. There's all our lot. See, way, way. Yes, that's the road leading up to St George's there. That's, I think we're just all going straight back there after this. As I say, we're just waiting for them coming. Some say it's fortunate, some say it's unfortunate, but the rain's kept a lot of the people away. So this is the greeting crowd at the moment, and like I say, they're early. So and Brendan and's down there with the banner. I'll go and get a picture of it. That's the banner for David. Hold the banner straight. That's the banner that Doris's son got done at the printing place. There's my little Brenda, David's mum. Here's the motorcyclists coming. Good morning, yeah, we come. This is the Olympic bus. There's David there with his torch. Hey, there he is, look. David! How are you doing? Hey, get in! Come on! These are the sponsors. Apparently they're giving away all sorts of things. Come on! Hello! Hi there! Oh, I'm off the ski.
Are you having a good day?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Nice. Enjoy.
Anywhere in the world. Good morning. Morpeth. Hello. Congratulations, Papa.
Enjoy it.
We're just waiting for the people coming to light the torch now. There's the torch lighters coming now. Look at all these motorbikes, eh?
What's this the thing with the...
Take your back toe in a little bit. What's in there? Stable. That looks like it's now.
This is the torch.
of the road, please, folks. Thank you. The cameras there, trying to get to those. No, mine's a rough trail. Oh, it's only rain.
There's a torch lit. Oh, she's got going.
Just go down the road, please. No, just say to the side, please.
Side, please.
All right.
Go on, Tony.
Go, Bridgeman! Come on!
Trying to get a video here. With great difficulty, I think. Sorry. Walk back up there. Morpeth. Oh, there's Bill and Kath. You're a bit jerky this video, like, but never mind. That's as much as I can get. We're back at David's house yet, but I don't think David's... Yeah, all right. Okay. I don't think David's arrived yet.
Has he not?
Not yet.
You only have to run 1 mile.
I know, it's 300 yards. This is his garden anyway. Part of it. The side part of the garden. Funny, isn't it? Lovely view. You can see for miles up there. You can see... what's it called again? Simon side and everything over there under. However, we'll go and see what's going on, I think, there. This is the other part of his garden. He's got it looking lovely, mind, hasn't he? We'll go in, we'll get a look around the other side shortly. This is the reception committee waiting for David coming. He's been to the hospice with the torch to show them. But we're just hanging fire here till he arrives. He's coming up there now with the torch. Here he comes. Sunshine as well. Sunshine. Cheers.
You can have a garden party after.
They're for you.
Dad, stay outside. I'm going to get some.
David, how was it?
It was, I can't describe the pride, pleasure and honour that it was to carry it, and the fact that I was nominated and chosen by the volunteers and staff of St Oswald's.
So you should have been as well.
What's made it so special for us, everybody in the hospice, family, friends, it's
You've done a lot for them, David.
well, I do it because I want to
You
do
want
it,
to
and
do it, yeah.
I work at the hospice, I see where the money goes, and I see how families get looked
You
after.
enjoy your job.
It's an honour and a privilege to carry the torch.
Bill.
Brilliant.
Right, come on, let's all have a drink.
I'll get a picture there.